If you've ever wanted to learn how to draw flowers, but couldn't be bothered to put in the effort, you should definitely watch this video. We'll show you some easy ways to draw flowers, but watch till the end to see some cool shortcuts for when you're feeling extra lazy. All you need is a pencil, and if you want to, a pen to ink. We use a Kuru Toga mechanical pencil and an Oto graphic liner in this demonstration. Ready? Let's get started. Lazy daisies. First, we'll draw a daisy. Start with a small bumpy circle for the center. Then draw skinny oval petals coming out from this circle. Continue until you have one layer of petals. Then fill in the gaps between the petals with more petals. To make the stem, draw two lines close together extending from the middle of the flower. Next, draw curved ovals coming out from the stem to make leaves. That's it! Easy peasy! Simple sunflowers. Next, the sunflower. Also start with a bumpy circle, but this time make two. Now draw pointed ovals coming from the outer circle. These should be about half the size or smaller compared to the center of the flower. Classic sunflowers are known for their larger disc floret in the center. After you finish drawing one layer of petals, fill in the gaps with another layer. For the stem, draw two lines coming from the center, slightly further apart than we did for the daisy. Then draw rough heart shapes for the leaves. From the center of the leaves, draw two lines for stems connecting downwards to the main stem. Draw a rough line in the middle of the leaves, then smaller lines coming out from the middle line. There you have it, a sunflower. That wasn't so bad, right? Taking on tulips. We're stepping up our game and drawing a tulip next. First, make an egg shape as a guide. At the top of the egg, add a sideways oval. This will be the opening of the tulip. For the petals, divide the front into 3 uneven sections. You can make the petals stick out a little bit from the guide shape, it's totally fine. Now make a petal in the back to add more dimension. The flower part is done, but tulips look a little weird without a stem, so from the middle of the flower, draw 2 curved lines. From the left stem, draw a curve shape. On the right stem, continue that curve to make a long pointed leaf and connect it to the bottom of the stem. Are you ready for this? From the top point of the leaf, draw a line downwards similar to the curve next to it. Doesn't that look 3D? Now for the second leaf. Starting from the left stem, draw a curve upwards. Then from the bottom of the finished leaf, draw another line upwards connecting to the top of that curve. Draw one last line from the bottom of the left stem to the top of the leaf. Whew, that was kind of intense, but you did it, and it totally looks like a tulip. Rose to the challenge. Real-life roses are pretty complicated. We made a simpler version for all the lazies out there. First, draw a circle as a guide. And then in the middle, draw a closed spiral shape. This looks kind of like the unfurled center of the rose, right? Draw small curvy shapes coming out from the spiral. You can make them uneven to give it kind of an organic look. Continue layering these curvy shapes until you're close to the guide circle. When you're there, draw a curly bracket shape. Now you have a leaf. You can draw as many leaves as you like, but we recommend no more than like 3 or 5 depending on the size of the flower. In the middle of the leaves, draw a longer line and then shorter lines branching off of it. Congrats, you've just leveled up with your flower doodles. Basic, not boring flowers. Featuring Kuretake Zig clean colored dot double-sided markers. Okay, if those flowers were too hard for you and you have some clean color dot markers lying around, like I do, we'll show you some easy ways to make some basic and not so basic flowers. Daisy. To draw a super simple daisy, just swipe the dot tip inwards towards the center to make petals. Then stamp the center with a brown or green circle. Periwinkle. This flower is even easier to make. Grab blue or purple markers and stamp 5 dots in a circle. Then dot the center with a yellow dot. Billy Button. For these adorable flowers, first use the yellow marker to make big dots. Then draw stems coming out from the bottom with the green or brown fine tip marker. If you want a more textured flower, make yellow dot clusters. Then add a stem with the dot tip or fine tip depending on the size of the flower. Lavender. Pick out a blue marker and swipe downwards to make teardrop shapes in a tapered line. Large ones at the bottom and smaller ones as you go up towards the top. Next, grab a purple marker and do the same thing, layering over the existing shapes. Now use the fine tip of a green marker to draw a stem. How pretty and easy was that? Skip the drawing. If you really can't be bothered to draw flowers yourself, you're still in luck. Washi tape and stickers can do the job for you, so you don't even have to lift a pencil. Here are some of our top picks. We highly recommend BGM clear stamps if you prefer a more vintage aesthetic. Simply peel off the design you want to use, stick it to an acrylic block, ink it, then stamp away. Because they're clear, you'll know exactly where you're stamping. And any mistakes are just happy accidents, as Bob would say. You can even color in the stamps once the ink has dried. These stickers from Opry are made from scanned images of real pressed flowers. They're perfect for when you want something realistic. A few of them will liven up any drawing, journal, or planner. You can even stack them to create backgrounds or the illusion of a flower bouquet. They're available in tons of gorgeous flowers. Bondi washi tape sticker rolls are made of beautiful washi stickers that peel off individually. They come in a variety of foliage and flowers, including cherry blossoms, wisterias, and more. You can layer the stickers to form wreaths, borders, backgrounds, and foregrounds. Midori Paper Craft Museum stickers make any plain page pop. Don't underestimate their small size. They shimmer beautifully, and their puffiness adds a pleasant 3D effect. Use them as cute accents for decorating or craft projects. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe. We have one on houseplants coming up for all you plant parents and pretend plant parents. I see you, fake plant owners. We're here for you. You can find all of these products and more at jetpens.com. Thanks for watching. Basic, not boring flowers.
Featuring Kuretake Zig clean color dot-sided double-sided markers. That was a lot of words.
Whew, that was kind of intense, but you did it, and it totally looks like a tulip. Does this sound like we're just patting ourselves on the back? That's okay. I'm here for this positive self-talk.